everyone, so for today's episode of Urban Sketching Watercolour Sessions at Home, I am intending to illustrate this little jar that I've shown you before with the French Bulldog that holds sort of my commonly used watercolour brushes. So today I want to demonstrate how I would approach something as detailed as this. When it comes to urban sketching, you obviously try not to spend too much time on creating meticulously drawn out objects. So I will probably start with a glass, obviously, to give the brushes a shape. I'm not going to close it in, I'm just going to draw the first half, then the brushes, and then at the end the closing in, because I want to see how wide I will go with the brushes sticking out. So as per usual, I'll put some music on for you to enjoy the drawing and thereafter the watercoloring. So hope you enjoy it, and let's go. Okay, so here is the finished version, and the French Bulldog came out looking like a little pig, which they sort of do anyway, so I guess that's okay. So yeah, that was it. If you're interested how to mix black when you don't have a black in the watercolor, then you just go with yellow, red and blue. In that case, dark blue is quite helpful. So yeah, today obviously took a bit longer just because I just noticed there's the back of the glass is missing, because it was a little bit obviously a lot of things are going on here, and I try to kind of go in with a bit of detail but not do too much detail, if that makes sense. And yeah, it's been quite fun. But looking at a few things right now as I'm speaking to you, I actually can see that I need to lift a few things. So I'm just going to go into that mixed up black. So here I was trying to illustrate my black velvet, and I think I will leave it at that. I'll probably just add a few shadows over here like so. Yeah, that is it. So for my gold, I used the Tibet Gold from the what's this one, Finetec Tibet Gold 600 palette. So it's 6 different watercolors here. So this one is quite nice because it's not too much, and if I show you the gold effect, it's like this. So yeah, here is a little bit more of a detailed urban sketching illustration, and I hope you enjoyed it. And it's super fun to just illustrate your watercolor brushes and kind of just remind yourself of what you have, really. So thanks for watching, have a lovely weekend, and see you soon.